Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can connect Hostinger to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin page and then click on the settings button. Now after clicking on the settings button, settings page will open. Now from the left menu bar, click on the domains button. And after clicking domains, click on the connect existing domain. And now place the domain name and click next. After that, click on verify connection. And now in another tab, open Hostinger. And now log in. So now click domains. After clicking domains, copy the A record from Shopify and open your DNS. Now click on the edit button and paste the number. And now click on the update. After that, copy the C name and again paste it and update it. Now again click on the verify connection. And that's how you will connect Hostinger to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.